For creating a new patient, we can do that through one of two menus. So I'm opening up the collapsed sidebar here. Under admin, you'll see all patients and my patients. If your account is a provider admin account, you'll be able to see the all patients. This should be for every patient in the clinic. If you have patients who are yours, doing appointments as a clinician or a counselor, you'll see patients under my patients. First, navigate into all patients, then click New at the top right. You'll be presented with a new patient screen. For here, we're going to enter in some test information, a date of birth, gender, and an email. Now, this email has to be a valid email for the patient. This email is used for a patient's account to not only be able to receive appointment confirmation and reminder emails, but also links to join a video session. You'll also need an address for the patient, but for this demo, we're going to be inputting sample information. Make sure to select a language for this patient. Leave email communication open so that the patient gets appointment reminders or video links. This can be turned off at a later date. A time zone for the patient, and then hit Create Patient. Now the patient has been added to our list and we can schedule new appointments for them in the future.